In a far-off kingdom, Princess Elara was not your typical royal. She was brave, curious, and always eager for adventure. Her kingdom, nestled between majestic mountains and dense forests, had recently been plagued by a fearsome dragon that had taken up residence in the nearby peaks. The creature's presence terrified the villagers, but Elara felt there was more to the story. Ignoring the warnings of her advisors, Elara set out alone to confront the dragon. She journeyed through dark forests and up treacherous cliffs until she reached the dragon's lair. The entrance was marked by charred rocks and the scent of smoke. With her heart pounding, she stepped inside. To her surprise, the dragon, though imposing with its shimmering scales and fiery eyes, did not attack. Instead, it looked at her with a mix of sadness and resignation. Elara, sensing its pain, lowered her sword and spoke gently. "Why do you trouble the people of my kingdom?" she asked. The dragon's deep voice rumbled through the